Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make all cells the same size in Excel sheet. So for us to proceed, we have this table right here, and as you can see here at the top, you are going to notice that the cells are not in the same width in this case, and still the same thing for the height. But yeah, there's actually a way to fix that. So you head over here, basically you're just going to highlight um, your cells, and then from here you can then go ahead and basically drag it from here. So I can go ahead and make this bigger just like so, and then if I'm going to drop my mouse right here, you can see that now that's a difference. So it's going to be the same thing here. For example, we have G, it's totally different from the other sizes of these columns right here, but we're going to highlight all, and then I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the CPU here. I'm gonna go ahead and try to follow that same width. So say for example like that, 7.82, I'm going to go ahead and leave it, and you can see that it's going to adjust the others as well. So this is a uniform changes if you're going to highlight all of those cells that you need. Basically, that's how you're going to make all cells the same size in Excel sheet.